Karnataka's Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy's chopper has been searched once again. Now, we know this is going to lead to another political face-off. Questions already have been asked. Charges already have been leveled by the opposition that all of this is just political vendetta. Karnataka Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy faces this search once again. His chopper was searched. We'll try and go across to our reporters for more details. EC officials have searched the chopper of Mr. H.D. Kumaraswamy. Remember, this was done earlier as well when the opposition raised the issue of political vendetta. They said that the opposition leaders are only being targeted. Let's go across to Deepak. Deepak, once again, H.D. Kumaraswamy's chopper has been searched. What are the kind of reactions that you're getting? Of course, the opposition will, very quickly jump to the conclusion that this is political vendetta. But what are the officials saying?
Well, the EC officials have time and again maintained that whenever they conduct searches, it's based on some sort of information. Now, H.D. Kumaraswamy, after casting his vote by road, moved from Ramnagara to the HAL air base, took off from there to Kumta in Karwar. Now, there he'll be, of course, carrying out several campaigns for the the third phase of polling, which is going to be held on the 23rd. It's when he reached Kumta, his entire chopper was searched by the election officials. As of now, only preliminary details have come in, but initial reports suggest that they haven't been able to get hold of anything. Now, this is where, the opposition is going to cry foul. They're going to say it's not the first time. His convoys have been searched before. This is not the first search, even on the chopper. Though the election officials have claimed that it's not just, H.D. Kumaraswamy, the Chief Minister. Even the former Chief Minister, B.S. Yediyurappa's chopper too was searched. But now, are these searches really giving out anything in terms of, seizures? Up until now, no. Especially when it comes to H.D. Kumaraswamy. So the opposition definitely is going to cry foul once again. We'll really have to wait and watch what H.D. Kumaraswamy himself has to say. That